So, this is gonna be day 4.5 kasi I just wanna give an update dun sa ginagawa ko na AI for Pinoy's na landing page na web application. Anyway, so gusto ko lang siya pakita sa inyo yung current update. So, I just wanted to show it to you. So, this is the logo that I designed for AI for Pinoy's. So, yun ang logo niya. Gusto ko na medyo graffiti, grungy kind of style. Yung nahanap mo sa mga kanto-kanto. Anyway, so I asked the AI agent to help me out, like add this on the landing page. No? So I'm using Emergent. So it's like similar to Bolt and Lovable. So it took a while. Madami ako pinaayos pa and everything. So this is anyway. So ang kalabasan niya is it looks like this now. Dumi talaga ng screen, no. So yeah, ching, ching, ching. So anyway, pwede natin palitan to light mode or dark mode, and you can see light mode. Oh, di ba? Mas bagay siya ngayon. I think this adds a little bit of a color to the entire thing. Yeah, I just want to give an update. Thank you, and follow me for more.